Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Using Asynchronous Python to Process PHP, a Tutorial. Introduction. Asynchronous programming is a powerful technique for handling concurrent operations, making your applications more responsive and efficient. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python to asynchronously process PHP scripts. We'll use Python's asyncio library to create asynchronous functions that can send requests to PHP scripts and handle their responses. This tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of Python and PHP. Prerequisites: setting up the Python environment, creating an asynchronous Python function. We'll start by creating a Python function that sends an asynchronous request to a PHP script. This function will use the aiohttp library to make HTTP requests. Here's what the code does. Using the asynchronous function. Now that we have our asynchronous function, let's use it to process a PHP script asynchronously. In the main function, running the asynchronous Python script. To run the Python script, simply execute it in your terminal. Make sure your PHP script is accessible via the provided URL. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use asynchronous Python to process PHP scripts. Asynchronous programming can be a valuable tool for handling multiple PHP script requests concurrently, improving the responsiveness and efficiency of your applications. You can expand upon this example by processing multiple PHP scripts concurrently or integrating error handling and data processing based on the PHP script's output. ChatGPT. Certainly. Processing PHP asynchronously from a Python application can be achieved using the subprocess module in Python, which allows you to spawn new processes, and the asyncio library for handling asynchronous operations. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to execute PHP scripts asynchronously from a Python application. First, ensure you have the required Python libraries installed. You can install asyncio using pip if you haven't already. Create a Python script that will handle the asynchronous execution of PHP scripts using the subprocess module. Create PHP scripts, example script1.php, script2.php, script3.php, that contain the PHP code you want to execute. For example, script1.php, script2.php, script3.php. This Python script will execute the PHP scripts asynchronously and print the output or errors from each script. Remember to replace the PHP script's content with your desired PHP code. This tutorial demonstrates how to run PHP scripts asynchronously from a Python application using asyncio and subprocess. You can expand this further by handling more complex use cases or integrating error handling, data exchange, and other functionalities based on your requirements. ChatGPT.